say. Good morning and welcome to the channel, guys. I want to start off by giving a huge shout out to Custom Design Labs. You can check them out on Facebook. They do graphic design, screen printing, decals, wraps, signs and banners, pretty much everything, guys. And they do a really good job. They use quality vinyl, and yeah, I got a order from them. These ones are obviously for the Titan. And I have more coming for the Focus because I didn't get white ones. But obviously all the ones on the Focus are white, so I'm going to get white for that. And I got some extra ones, so I stuck one on the barn wall. Also kind of just to show you guys, you know, the quality of this stuff, because it's kind of cold right now, so I didn't think it would stick, but it did. So check them out, give them a like, message them, call them, whatever. Just definitely check them out. So if you guys watched my last video or Send It Steve's video, you'll know the plan for the Focus. So we're gonna throw a turbo on it, guys. I'm excited for that. I wasn't gonna tell you guys, but Steve let it slip, so yeah, we're gonna put a turbo in this, see what it can do. But that's not what today's video is about. I ordered some more crap, Chinese crap, off of Amazon, and yeah, we're gonna get rid of these dumb turn signals that are in the grill, these ones, because I think they look stupid. I'm gonna actually eliminate the grill altogether. So I got these Eagle Eyes. I'm going to wire them up, and they will be daytime running lights and turn signals. White during when the daytime running lights are on, and when I hit the turn signal, they're gonna go to amber. I got, I believe, 8 of them, so I'm gonna do 4 on this side. I think I'm gonna put them in between here, so like halfway up, and I'm gonna have two or three basically facing forward, and then maybe 1 or 2 over here on the corner, and do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna measure out from this turn signal and marker light right here, measure off of that for the other side, or this side, whichever side I do second. That way they're perfectly even. I think I'm gonna wire 2 of them up to these ones because they're marker lights and turn signals, and then the other 2 will be on these ones because same thing, they're marker lights and turn signals. And then the ones on this side, same thing, 2 on that one and then 2 on that one. But before I get started with that, let's do a cold start, even if the car will start, because it's been sitting for over a week. So let's give her a whirl. Alrighty guys, she fired right up, surprisingly. Really wasn't thinking that it would. Alright, so as you guys can see, barely, but because I blacked them out, but that is a marker light. So is that one, and that one, and that one. Now, I already know, but I'm showing you guys. Well, I guess I can just do 4 ways. They are also the turn signals. So that's why I'm using them. I do have resistors, so they're not going to hyper flash, which is a good thing. Well, while I was letting it warm up, I discovered it's got an exhaust leak somewhere. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right in here. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Not too worried about it right now though. Hey guys, so while I was letting the car warm up, the decal guy got a hold of me. He just dropped off the ones for the Focus. They're a little wrinkly just for me carrying them out here. It's not really super warm out. But so I gotta wait till it gets a little warmer and put them on, because they'll fall right back off if you put them on anything that's cold. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure from here, this crease here to here, so I can get the center of this piece here. And then once I do that, I'm gonna measure off of this marker light over here, and then I'm gonna just try to figure out like where's gonna look the best. I'm thinking about putting the first one right here, and then maybe like every inch, so it'll be 2, 3, 4, and then do the same thing on the other side. I'm not taking this sticker off because look at the car, you know what I mean? I don't really care about it right now, the bumper. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm doing like visual stuff. Also I'm obviously saving up for the turbo, but I'm basically just trying to get content out to you guys, you know, get my name out there, and then once we turbo this thing and get everything where I want it, then I'm gonna worry about paint or maybe even wrapping the car. Alright guys, wow, fogged you up. I have the holes drilled now. I just got to get in behind there and get some of the foam out of the way. I forgot there was foam behind there. Alright guys, so I'm an idiot. I got to take the whole front bumper off. But I ran out of time for today. I got to go get my kids from school and, you know, all that stuff. So I'll finish up tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. And again guys, if you need any decals, screen printing, they do whole vehicle wraps, signs, banners, any of that kind of stuff, check out Custom Design Labs. They do awesome work, and they're just starting out. They're in my area. There's a phone number for you guys, and I'll also have that in the description below. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this upload. I'm going to have to make a two-parter out of this. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. And also check me out on Instagram at @justanother_cardude. And I'll see you guys on the next one.